20 pesos is bugat kayo, bugat mo galing piso, 20 pa. Well, but they are counted among the baptized, active baptized members. In the beginning, God. That is for the stations. What about in the religion? In the beginning, God. What about in our books? Let your hands, train your hands. The first thing inyong gunitan pag matagyon sa punta, Bible. Una kung mahimo itupad ang Bible sa unahan, pabasin matintang mong buhang lahi. Bible. The first thing to do, pag matas punta, kneeling down in prayer. The first words that you have to utter is prayer to the Lord. Because in the beginning, God. Brethren, let's start this new year with God. How we determine the priorities for life. We have this tithe and offering. In the beginning, God. The first, yun na mahitabo dito sa atong budgeting na lista. Ang bad kapuya na siguro lista, no? Ang bad kapuya lista, kaya isang lista, ma-sure. Na yung uban po kapuya lista, kaya isa dili lista, di man po ma-sure. So, diba, it's much better na yung lista. You can know, more than yan. That's why of knowing the blessings from the Lord. In the beginning, God tithes. In the beginning, God.